The education school system is changing and it's changing fast. Colleges are getting more expensive, student debt is skyrocketing, and people are waking up. They no longer want to sit in the classroom for 4 years to graduate with a degree and then come out with no skills. Instead, we're seeing more and more people like you, experts, speakers, authors, coaches. Now they are the new education system. They're teaching people what they should know. And the question that I have for you is this: are you ready to step up? Are you ready to monetize your expertise, monetize your wisdom to be a part of this big shift of education in our country? Hello, I'm Kenton Simmons, and welcome to Monetize You Academy. And what I want to impress upon you today, that you need to monetize you. Like, you are the new school system. You are the new education system. And I want to give you a few things to consider as this shift is happening and making sure that you are ready. So I'm a school guy, right? Spent 25 years in school, 3 college degrees, a BS degree in chemistry, another master's degree in polymer science and engineering, and then another master's degree in textile and fiber engineering. Worked at NASA as a research scientist, later on transitioned to developing contact lenses for a company called Vision. And I'm a school guy. I promote school. I promote college. I help people in paying for college. But here's the reality. For decades, that's been the system, right? The path was simple. Go to college, go to school, right? Get good grades, go to college, get a degree, and then hopefully you go in to land a high-paying job. But let's just be honest, right? That's not happening the same way today, right? The system is failing, and it's failing a lot for people. Actually, right now, the last time I checked, student loan debt was about $1.7 trillion, right? That's trillion with a T, right? And we got many people who have college degrees, graduate degrees, and they're struggling to find jobs. They're struggling to find jobs that's going to justify the college debt that they're experiencing. All right. So guess what? People are waking up, right? People are waking up. People are not doing things the same. They're realizing this. Guess what? That they have to follow a different plan. They got to do something different. And we're seeing it all over our country and all of our world. So rather than people going to get 4-year degrees or people choosing to get a degree, now they're choosing to get a certificate. They're choosing to do apprenticeships. They're training with experts. They're training with mentors to actually get the information they need. And on top of that, we've seen online education grow at an all-time high, where people can work a part-time job and now get an online degree. And the reality is this: people are now able to develop their skills fast, right? Develop the skills fast. So there's this rise of online education. And what I want to say to you and ask you is, like, are you ready, right? Are you ready? You know, right now today, the e-learning industry is projected to reach $1 trillion by 2030. So you see what year it is today, right? By 2030, we're seeing that should go up, right? More than 40% of college students are now taking at least one online class. And the big wig companies, like we've all known growing up, Google, IBM, Tesla, all the major companies, they're actually ditching the degree requirements. They're no longer looking at degrees. They're looking at people who have real skills and not real diplomas. So what am I saying? People don't care about degrees much anymore. The school system, the way we know it, is changing. People care about knowledge, expertise, and getting results. And that's why I believe this is the best time for you to monetize you. I believe this is the best time as a speaker, author, and coach, because people like you are looking for people like you, right? People are actively looking for mentors and programs and courses and information that's going to help them become a real expert, not spending 4 years in a traditional university and then now ending up with piles of online debt. And guess what? You can be the expert. You know, the other day I was talking to a group of people and I realized, hey, you don't need a PhD. You need to teach what you know. What is it about you that you have that you know? What experiences have you gathered that makes you the expert? And can you take your expertise and turn it into a system, right? A system where you can monetize your message and share your expertise with the world. Now, if you think about it today, you know, we have so many individuals that we follow, people that we see online, people that we follow their information. We go to their workshop, we go to their conferences, and our lives are changed because of the amount of time that we're spending with these individuals. All right. So I want you to see yourself as the new professor. Think about it. 20 years ago, you know, if I wanted to learn marketing or get a marketing degree, I had to go sit in a classroom, pay thousands of dollars, take a course, take a test, listen to a professor who never probably worked in marketing. But today, I can go on YouTube. I can go into a coaching program. I can go with a mentor. I can hang out with people like Graham Cochran and my man Trey and Brendan Bouchard and Candace Simmons and Eric Thomas and Alex Hormozy and all of the amazing individuals that we have. And the reality is that this is the new school system, right? The new school system isn't inside the classroom like it used to be, but the new school system is right here. Online courses, coaching programs, masterminds, and digital academies. And here's the deal. Do you have a system where now you can put your message out there and you can monetize it and people can now join your new academy? You know, I realized I had my sweatshirt on, Candace Simmons Academy, right? Candace Academy. What is Candace Academy? It's the knowledge and expertise that I have in my head that I can put out to help individuals like you. But what about you? Do you have a system? Do you have a way that your message can get out, whether it's in books, whether it's in courses, whether it's an online program, whether it's workshops, whether it's academies, whether it's masterminds? The opportunity to monetize your message is now. Just this morning when I turned on Facebook, I saw that they closed 2 new elementary schools in the area. And I'm like, wow. How many more schools will there be closing? For whatever reason, I'm not sure the reason right now, but the schools were closed. And so where are these kids going to go? Where are these parents going to lead their kids? And so what I want to do, I want to give you 4 things that I believe that you should start doing right now if you haven't done it, or 4 things that you may need help with that I want to be able to help you with. Number 1, these are all P's. I'm going to make them a P. It's to package your knowledge. Take what you already know and turn it into a digital product, a course, or a coaching program. Yeah, what is it that you know? What is it that the skills that you have? What is the experiences that you have that now you know a little bit more than the next man? I need you to package that. I need you to turn that into books and workbooks and implementation programs to help people get results. So the first thing I need you to do is to package your knowledge. The second thing I need you to do is to position yourself as an expert, right? People are looking for someone to teach them. People are looking for their new professor. People are looking for their new mentor. And so I needed you to go ahead and position yourself as the go-to person in that area. And here's the question. Why not you? Why not people seeing that you are the person they go to for academic success, for marital support, people coming to you for starting a business, people coming to you on how to land a dream job, people coming to you on how to write grants, people coming to you on how to use social media the right way. I believe you can position yourself to be that expert. And here's the last one. I need you to promote and scale your systems. Yeah, promote, launch, and scale. Promote, launch, and scale, right? After you package it together, after you position it, I need you to promote it, I need you to launch it, and I need you to scale it. I need you to put a simple system together so you can build your academy, right? So you can attract the right people and you can create income 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, because people are looking for you. And I believe it's time for you to monetize your message. Now, if you're saying to yourself, Cantus, I don't know how to do this. I don't know where to start. Guess what? That's exactly why I created Monetize You Academy. That's exactly why I've taken the time over these decades to package step by step by step on what you should be doing before the stage, what you should be doing on the stage, what you should be doing after the stage. How to turn your book into a course, how to turn your course into a program, how to turn your program into masterminds and groups and opportunities where people can work with you. And I would love to be your coach. So here's what I want to give you to do. Number one, stop wasting. Stop waiting for permission to monetize your message. You have my permission. I was telling some PhD clients, like, quit waiting for other people to approve you, to validate you. Guess what? I'm giving you permission right now to monetize your message. So stop waiting. Stop overthinking. Stop overthinking to feel like you need more information, nor credentials to already do what you know. Stop waiting. Stop thinking. Start learning. Learn how to turn your expertise, your message, into the new school system. If you don't know how, hey, I would love to support you. Listen, down below, I'll give you a link to see if you are ready for Monetize You Academy. And I believe you are. I would love to work with you. Would love to talk to you to see how we can help you become a part of this new skill system, this new school system. All right. So listen, go to monetizeyou.co/apply to watch a small video on what Monetize You Academy is all about, and to help you package your knowledge and expertise and turn it into a way that you can monetize you. The future of education is now. The future of education is in your hands, and let's make it happen together. Hey, I'm Cantus Simmons, the coolest guy with 7.25 fingers. And guess what? Your message can change the world. Let's talk soon, and I look forward to working with you. Bye-bye.